This is a Manhattan-bound 2 train. The next stop is 215th Street.
Downtown, local 1 train. Approaching the station, please stand away. Uptown, local 1 train to Rector Street. Approaching the station, please stand away from the platform edge.
Next stop, 2nd Avenue. Stand clear of the closing doors. The next stop, 215th Street. Stand clear of the doors, the doors are closing.
Downtown Express 2 train. Approaching the station, please stand away from the platform edge.
This is an accessible
Please
station.
step aside
The elevator
and let
is
the
at the front
customers
of the
off the
platform.
train first.